Hello students, myself Manoj Pandey from LPM Public School, Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. Now today we discuss the topic circle. Now the theorem number third. The perpendicular drawn from the center of circle to a chord bisect the chord. Perpendicular from the center of circle to a chord bisect the chord. Now the figure PQ. PQ is the chord and O is the center. PQ is chord and O is center. Now join O to P and O to Q. Clear? Therefore, a circle is drawn and PQ is the chord of a circle. Join O to P. OP is the radius and OQ is also the radius. A perpendicular drawn from O to a PQ is A. So OA is perpendicular from center to the chord of a circle. Therefore, the statement is the perpendicular from the center of circle, the perpendicular from the center of a circle to the chord bisect the chord. It means सेंटर से कार्ड पर अगर परपेंडिकुलर ड्रॉ किया जाएगा, मतलब परपेंडिकुलर ड्रॉन फ्रॉम सेंटर टू द कार्ड बाइसेक्ट, इट मीन्स प्रूव दैट PA इक्वल टू QA. द स्टेटमेंट इज गिवन perpendicular from the center of a circle to the chord bisect the chord. सेंटर से chord पर अगर कोई लाइन ड्रॉ की जाती है और वो परपेंडिकुलर है तो वो chord को बाइसेक्ट करेगी. given a circle C with center O and radius R, and OA perpendicular to PQ. To prove PA equal to QA. Therefore, PA equal to QA. A is the midpoint of PQ. Therefore, OA bisect the chord PQ. Now the next step, prove proof. Clear? In triangle OAP and triangle OAQ, OAP and OAQ. Now OP equal to OQ, radii of circle, OP equal to OQ, radii of circle, OA equal to OA, common, and angle OAP is equal to angle OAQ, each 90 degree. Therefore, triangle OAP congruent triangle OAQ by RHS. It means we prove the two triangles are congruent, triangle OAP and triangle OAQ, in which three conditions are satisfied. OP equal to OQ. This is the radii of a circle. यह सर्कल के रेडियस है. And OA equal to OA. That is the common line in both triangle. And angle OAP and OAQ are equal because each angle is 90 degree. So therefore, both triangles are congruent with the congruency of RHS. Therefore, PA equal to PA equal to QA by CPCT, because corresponding part of congruent triangle. If the two triangles are congruent, then their corresponding parts are equal. So therefore, PA equal to QA. If OA bisect the chord PQ. Clear? It's complete. Next theorem. Next theorem. Theorem number 4. Theorem number 4. It is the converse of theorem number 3. Theorem number 4 is the converse of theorem number 3. So therefore, the line drawn through the center of a circle, to bisect the chord is perpendicular to the chord. The line drawn through the center of a circle. The line drawn through the center of a circle, line drawn through the center of a circle to bisect a chord, is perpendicular to the chord, is perpendicular to a chord. Clear? Now the diagram is same as the previous theorem. O is the center and P, Q, A. From the diagram, PQ is the chord of a circle and OA is perpendicular. OA is perpendicular through the center of a circle to bisect the chord is perpendicular to a chord. It means सेंटर से अगर कोई लाइन ड्रॉ की जाती है तो वो लाइन कार्ड को बाइसेक्ट करती है. दैट्स प्रूव दैट द थियरम इज परपेंडिकुलर टू द लाइन. सो गिवन a circle COR, a circle COR. O is the center of a circle and R is the radius in which PA equal to QA. To prove OA perpendicular to PQ. Therefore, now prove OA perpendicular to PQ. In triangle OAP, and triangle OAQ, OP equal to OQ, that is the radii of a triangle, radii of circle, and OA equal to OA, that is common, and PA equal to QA is given, that is given. Now the three triangles are congruent. Now the triangles are congruent. Triangle OAP and OAQ by yes congruency. Therefore, triangle OAP congruent triangle OAQ by yes congruency. By yes congruency. So therefore, the triangle are congruent Then OP is OA is perpendicular. OA is perpendicular. Angle OAP are equal due to the CPCT, because it is the corresponding part of congruent triangle. Angle OAP equal to angle OAQ by CPCT. Therefore, angle OAP plus angle OAQ equal to 180 degree by linear pair of angle. Linear pair of एंगल से इन दोनों एंगल का सम 180 डिग्री होगा. नाउ एंगल OAP प्लस एंगल OAP इक्वल टू 180 डिग्री ट्वाइस एंगल OAP इक्वल टू 180 and angle OAP equal to 90 degree. Therefore, OA is perpendicular to PQ. Therefore, OA is perpendicular to PQ. Clear? Okay. Thank you.